Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, magsisimula tayo ng panibagong series, yung Systems of Linear Equations, no? And sa series na to ay sisimulan natin siya sa isang problem. So the captain of a basketball team for girls in Rojas High School made a total of 10 shots and scored 24 points. If there was no free throw made, how many 2-point and 3-point shots did she make? No? So, unang-una linawin natin yung rules dito, no? I think many of you are familiar with basketball, pero malamang yung iba sa inyo ay hindi familiar. So, ang nangyayari kasi sa basketball, pag nakashoot yung player, no? Pag nakashoot siya ng bola, it's either 2 points or 3 points. Pag 2 points, yung karaniwang shoot, and yung 3 points pag nasa 3-point line siya. Ngayon, pag may free throw, no? 1 point yan. So, dito sa problem na to, wala siyang free throw, no? So, meron siyang 2 points tsaka 3 points. So, hindi natin alam kung ilan yan, no? And yung pinaka-clue lang natin dito is meron siyang 10 shots and meron siyang 24 points. Okay, so siguro pwede tayong gumawa ng table dito, no? So, meron tayong 3 points, number of 3 points, tsaka number of 2 points, no? So, 10 ang maximum. So, wala naman siya sinabi na meron talagang 2 points tsaka 3 points, no? Pwedeng 0, di ba? So, pag 0 yung 3 points natin, no? Ang number of 2 points natin ay 10, di ba? Tapos, pag 1, syempre 9. Kasi 10 eh. 10 yung 10 shots siya eh. So, pag 2, 8. Pag 3, 7. Pag 4, ilan na? 6. Pag 5, 5. Pag 4, pag 6, pag 62 is 4. Ano, siguro, tuloy-tuloy na natin ito para mas mapis. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No? And then we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, ito mga posible. Lahat yan pwede, no? Pero, hindi lang ito yung i-consider natin na condition. I-consider natin yung second condition kung saan meron siyang 24 points. No? So, ito yung number of shots, no? Number of shots na pumasok. So kung titingnan natin yung points, no? Or score, no? So, pag 0 yung 3 points, tsaka 10 yung 2 points, 10 times 2 is 20. Pag 1 yung 3, tsaka 9, so 3 plus 18, no? 2 times 9 is 18, magiging 21. And then we have 2 times 3 is 6, plus 16 is 22. Tapos 3 times 3 is 9, plus 14 is 23. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 times 6 is 12 is 24. And so on, no? So, sa tingin nyo na mangyayari dito, no? So, magiging 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Bakit kaya siya nag-increase ng isa, no? So, yan yung isa sa mga pwede nyo pag-isipan, no? Bakit kaya siya nag-increase ng isa? And from here, kita natin that the second condition is satisfied dito sa 4 and 6 kasi 24 siya, no? So, satisfied yung dalawang conditions. So, 24, nandito siya sa 4 and 6. So, pag dalawa yung 2 or more yung sinasatisfy natin na condition, no? Pag true ito, hindi tayo sure kung tama, kailangan ma-satisfy natin yung pangalawang condition. Ang tawag natin yan ay systems, no? Systems of equations. So, dito, dalawa yung sinasatisfy natin na condition that the sum of the number of 3 points and the number of 2 points is 10, and at the same time, the score is 24. No? So, yan ay isa sa way ng pagsosolve. But of course, we can solve this algebraically, no? So, unang-una, if we let x, no? If we let x be the number of 2 points, and we let y be the number the number of 3 points. Number of 3-point shot siguro to. No? Number of 3-point shots and the number of 2-point shots. Okay? So, unang-una, yung number of shots nila, no? Should be 10, no? So, pwede nating sabihin x plus y equals 10, no? So, ang second part is kung makikita niyo kanina, minumultiply natin yung 4 by 3, di ba? Tsaka 2 by 6, no? So, yung 2 na yon, ito yon, di ba? Yung 2-point shot kasi 2 times 6 siya. At the same time, 3 times 4 kasi because of the 3-point shot. So, ang 2 natin, remember, ang 2 points natin na x, so pwede natin sabihin 2x plus 3y equals 24, di ba? So, nagigets nyo? 2 points times the number of 2 points plus 3 times the number of 3 points, yung y, equals 24. Kaya natin kanina 3 times 4, ito yung 3y. And then 2 times 6, 2x equals 24. No? So, kung makita ninyo, ang nasatisfy lang dito is itong 4 and 6. No? Of course, we can solve this algebraically. No? Pwede natin na, ang isang strategy na sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon, sundan nyo na lang muna yung steps because I will discuss this later. So, isang strategy is to let to transpose itong isa sa mga variables natin dito. So, pwede natin sabihin y equals 10 minus x. This is from equation 1, di ba? This is from equation 1. And then we substitute 10 minus x to the value of y in 2, no? So, yung 2x plus 3y instead of y, pwede natin sabihin 10 minus x because y is 10 minus x. It's equal. So, pwede natin sabihin 10 minus x equals 24. Nagigets nyo ba? Yung y, yung y dito, sinubstitute ko yung 10 minus x dito because y is equal to 10 minus x. So, we can simplify. We have 2x plus 3 times 10 is 310 minus 3x. Oh, sorry. 30. 3 times 10 is 30 minus 3x. So, this is distributive property, no? 3 times 10 and then minus 3 times x equals 24. We have 2x minus 3x, no? Lipat ko dito sa kabila, mag-minus 30 ako on both sides. Is equal to 24 minus 30. And then we have negative x, 2x minus 3x is negative x equals negative 6. Kaya yung x natin is equal to 6. No? By multiplying both sides by negative 1. No? Or dividing both sides by negative 1 is also accepted. No? So dito, ang x natin ay 6. No? Our x is 6. And our y is, of course, since ang sum nila is x and y is 10, therefore, ang y natin is 4. Which is consistent with our answer here, no? So, kung mapapansin niyo 2 times x, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 4, which is also 12, is equal to 24. So, 6 and 4 satisfy both the equations, no? By the way, dito kung mapapansin niyo ang equations natin ay linear equations in 2 variables. Meron tayong x and y. Kasi itong mga ito, for example, 2x minus 5 equals 3. This is just a linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in x, for example. Okay, so I think that's it. Yung mga susunod natin na videos, pag-aaralan natin, paano ba mag-solve kung given na yung dalawang equations na may systems of equations tayo, paano natin siya i-solve? So, isa lang ito sa mga strategy, no? Dito ang isusunod ko na i-discuss or susunod ko na i-discuss is to solve using different strategies, no? So, maraming salamat. I hope meron kayo naintindihan sa video na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa sipnayan.com and of course sa ating YouTube channel. Pwede kayong mag-subscribe para every time na meron tayong bagong video ay ma-inform kayo sa inyong email. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.